Finding a job in Canada involves several steps, and there are various resources available to assist you in your job search. Here are some tips to help you find employment in Canada. 1. Research. Begin by researching industries and companies in Canada that align with your skills, qualifications, and career goals. Identify potential employers and learn about job market trends and opportunities in your field. 2. Networking. Networking is crucial for finding job opportunities in Canada. Connect with professionals in your industry through networking events, professional associations, online platforms like LinkedIn, and informational interviews. Building relationships with people in your field can lead to job referrals and insights into the job market. 3. Online job boards. Utilize online job boards and job search websites to browse job listings and apply for positions. Popular job search websites in Canada include Indeed, Monster, Workaplace, and LinkedIn. Customize your search criteria to target specific industries, job titles, and locations. 4. Company websites. Many companies in Canada post job openings directly on their websites. Visit the career pages of companies you're interested in to explore job opportunities and submit applications. 5. Recruitment agencies. Consider partnering with recruitment agencies and staffing firms that specialize in your industry. These agencies can help match you with job opportunities and provide assistance with resume writing, interview preparation, and career advice. 6. Government resources. The Government of Canada offers resources and programs to assist newcomers with finding employment. Explore the Job Bank website, which lists job openings across Canada, and utilize employment services provided by provincial or municipal governments. 7. Professional credentials. Ensure that your professional credentials and qualifications are recognized in Canada, especially if you're immigrating from another country. Research the credential evaluation process and obtain any necessary certifications or licenses required for your occupation. 8. Job fairs and events. Attend job fairs, career expos, and recruitment events in your area to connect with employers, learn about job opportunities, and network with industry professionals. 9. Volunteer or internship opportunities. Consider gaining Canadian work experience through volunteer work, internships, or co-op programs. This can help you build your network, gain relevant experience, and improve your chances of securing a permanent job. 10. Stay persistent and positive. Job searching can be challenging, so stay persistent, positive, and adaptable throughout the process. Keep refining your resume and cover letter. Prepare for interviews, and continue networking to maximize your chances of finding employment in Canada. By utilizing these strategies and resources, you can increase your chances of finding job opportunities and launching a successful career in Canada.